चलो प्रयाग. ओके बच्चा, थैंक यू. ऋषिव भालानी. ऋषिव भालानी. चलो दक्ष भरद्वाज. Quickly, Daksh Bhardwaj, roll number 8, present or absent? Please speak aloud, becha. Chalo. Next, Adya.
I'm right.
Adya Bhatia. Okay, becha. Adya. Not there. Chalo then. Bansi. Bansi Purania. Yes. Okay, good. Thank you, Bansi. Kashyap Bisaria. Okay. Okay, bachcha. Kashyap. Okay, done. Mahi. Mahi. Mahi present.
Ma'am.
Ma'am.
Sorry, ma'am.
Yes.
Mahi Dhar present.
Okay, thank you, Acha. Chaliye next. Ronit. Ronit Kalola. चलो अक्षर कार्या. Quickly. अक्षर. Sia. Ronit is present. Okay. Good. चलो निसर्ग. निसर्ग. चलिए आरव.
Present, ma'am. Present.
आरव.
Present, ma'am.
Okay, good. Thank you, Arav. Chalo, Padmapasna. Adya is also present. Okay, Adya, I've taken your attendance. Pari. Pari is also present. Kanishka. Kanishka is present. Ronit. Okay, Mr. You are present, I know. Chaliye. Yashama. Arvania. यशा. चलो ध्रुवित मेहता. ध्रुव. Okay. So Dhruvit is present, right?
Yes.
Okay, becha. Gyani Patel. Gyani Patel.
Yes, ma'am.
Very good. Thank you. Chalo, Arnab Pathak. Quickly. Arnab. Ayushi. Khushi.
Khushi Pingle is present, ma'am.
Okay, Khushi. Thank you. Shlok. Not there. Chahat. Not there. Satya.
Yes, ma'am. Present, ma'am.
Okay, thank you, Satya. Diya Santoki.
Present, ma'am.
Very good. Thank you. Denshi Saraya.
Present, ma'am.
Denshi Saraya. Okay, thank you, Denshi. Sumit Shukla.
मैम मेरा रोल नंबर क्या है?
Let me just have the
Ma-
attendance first, Micha. Wait.
ओके मैम.
Sumit Shukla is 31. Who is asking? Dishita is asking.
नो मैम, मेरा रोल नंबर है ना, मेरा ग्रुप लेट ज्वाइन हुआ ना, इसलिए मुझे आया ही नहीं है.
But then you are Dishita, right? The one who is asking is Dishita right now?
यस.
Dishita. I think आपका नाम लास्ट में एंड हुआ होगा, यही है. यहाँ पे जो मेरे पास लिस्ट है उसमें नहीं है बच्चा.
ओके मैम.
I'll update you. The new list I'll update you. Today I'll get it from the reception and I'll forward you, right?
मैम.
Sumit Shukla, 31. Sumit Shukla,
मैम.
not there. चलो एक just a second. Rishi Kumar Singh, no words. Kashvi Tanna,
प्रेजेंट मैम.
very good. Nishti Tanna, Nishti Tanna.
प्रेजेंट
Okay,
मैम.
thank you, Nishti. Thank you, Micha. Princy Baraya.
प्रेजेंट मैम.
Okay, thank you. Chal, now tell me, what was the query? Raise your hand first and then I'll tell you to unmute yourself. Tell me. You were asking something. Yes, Jia, tell me.
मैम, your voice is not coming.
Am I not audible to anyone?
My name. No, ma'am, I can't see you.
That's because my phone, my video is off. That's it. Jia, you are in 4th A, bacha? Yes.
मैम, my name इसमें अटेंडेंस.
Jia?
मैम, मेरा भी नहीं आया.
Yes,
ma'am.
नाम नहीं है आपका. मैं अपडेट करके by today evening I'll be posting the new list, right? Jia, you are sure that you are in 4th A, right?
No, ma'am.
आप fourth से कौन से ग्रुप में added
But
हैं?
he not received the phone.
Your name might be in 4th C then, Jia.
मैम, मुझे तो
Let it be. I'll be updating you. Jia.
But मैम, not दिया. मैम,
Yes. Everybody will tell मैम तो मुझे कैसे पता चलेगा? Jia Vasjaria, speak your point. चलो दिशिता, speak. What were you telling?
तो मैम, मुझे तो 4th A के ग्रुप में ऐड किया है और मेरा रोल नंबर में ज्वाइन किया है, तो आप बता देना बाद में.
Yeah, sure, I'll tell you. Are you not speaking in Hindi this much? Chal, Dhruvit, you wanted to tell something? Dhruvit?
Ma'am, your voice is not coming.
My voice is not coming. Okay, shall I arrange myself? Yes, Jia, tell me. Vasjaria, tell me.
मैम,
जी.
जो रिसेप्शन से मुझे वो ग्रुप मिला था ना 4th A का, वैसे ही मुझे 4th C का भी ग्रुप चाहिए. आपके पास होगा रिसेप्शन से मुझे बोलना होगा.
Yeah, give me today's date. I'll call up to the reception and I'll tell your query, bicha. Right? My voice is still not coming. Am I audible to all of you?
Ma'am, your voice is coming. You are not audible. Ma'am, you are audible. No, ma'am. Ma'am, you are audible. Ma'am, you are audible.
Okay.
Ma'am, you are
Okay,
not
thank you,
audible.
beta. Thank you, everyone. Okay, good, good. Chalo. Now, last class, what did we do? हमने क्या किया था? Who will tell me?
We have learned chapter.
Adya?
Ma'am, I also learned chapter. We learned chapter. Ma'am, I also read chapter. Ma'am, I also read
Yes,
chapter.
we had.
Ma'am, I also read chapter. Ma'am, I also. Sorry.
Very good. Very
Ma'am,
good.
I
Today
like
I will
artwork
explain
in
you
our book, not.
Very good. Very good. Chalo, now take out page number 10. Are you all ready with your textbooks?
Ma'am, which page number?
1010. 1010. Are you all ready with your textbooks, pencils, and
Ma'am,
erasers?
1 minute. Yes, ma'am, 1 minute. Ma'am, page number? Ma'am, 10, page number 10. Page number 10, 1010.
Everyone, mute yourself first. Nobody will talk now. Listen to my instructions very carefully. Disha ma'am is not having habit of repeating the instructions again and again. Right? Chale. So in the last session, we had overall view of the chapter, and today we are going to learn the chapter in terms of understanding the paragraph one after the other. Number 10. Page number 10. Chalo. Done? Now I want Kashvi to start reading the chapter. One paragraph. जिसको मैं unmute करने का बोलूँ वही unmute होंगे.
Many years ago in Chennai,
चलो
there
Kashvi.
lived a younger boy named Shushan. He was intelligent in. मैम एंड के बाद क्या लिखा है?
Sincere.
Sincere and loved
He was
flowers the most. He pleasant him more than watching alive lilies and ostrich as they wandered and during singing time.
I didn't get you. आपने पूरा पैराग्राफ पढ़ा बच्चा?
Yes,
Did you
ma'am.
read the whole paragraph?
Yes, ma'am.
क्योंकि बीच में your voice cracked. Okay, no issue. Thank you, Kashvi. Now, many years ago in China, this is a story of, it's a Chinese folk tale. जैसे हमारे यहाँ हमारी दादी नानी कैसे एक था चक्की, एक थी चक्की व चक्का चक्की वाली स्टोरी कहते थे, right? In the same way, this is a story of China, right? And many years ago in China, there lived a boy named Shui. He was intelligent and sincere. He never told lie. He was very sincere. Now, he loved flower the most. He had planted almost all types of flowers in the garden, right? Many of you have a habit of collecting the cars. Many of you have a habit of collecting. Girls are having habit of collecting dolls, or their small toys. अभी तो आ गए हैं आपके पास वो super heroes इतने होते हैं. So we all love collecting. Now this boy had a habit of gardening. He used to grow plants in his garden, right? Now he had almost all the flowers. These are the flowers named lilacs, lilies, and orchids. Repeat after me without unmuting. Lilacs, lilies, orchids. Right? This is not pronounced as orchids. It is orchids. Right? These are name of the flowers. जैसे rose, sunflower, है ना? वैसे ही these are the flowers. Now they bloomed during springtime. What is bloomed? What is the meaning of bloom? You can show it with the action. No need of unmuting yourself. Blooming. I can show you. Blooming is bloom. Bloom. How a flower blooms? Yes, bloom. Right? That is blooming. The spelling is BLOOMED. Bloomed. Say hi. Hi bolo sabko. Prisha. Hi bolo sabko. Say hi. Hi. Okay. So the flowers bloomed during springtime. Right? Chalo. Arav, can you read the next paragraph? चलो आई होप आप सबने न्यू वर्ड्स आपके लिए जो न्यू वर्ड्स है वो सब आपने अंडरलाइन कर दिए हैं राइट आई गिव चांस टू एवरीवन टू रीड डोंट वरी
मैम मेरा एक क्लास मिस हो गया था ना इंग्लिश का इसके मेरे अंडरलाइन नहीं हुए वर्ड्स के
तो आई एम नॉट गोइंग टू गिव यू अंडरलाइंड वर्ड्स बच्चा यू हैव टू रीड द चैप्टर एंड यू हैव टू अंडरलाइन द वर्ड्स व्हिच यू डोंट नो जो वर्ड्स आपको डिफिकल्ट लग रहे हैं रीड करने में दे आर ऑल न्यू वर्ड्स दैट ऑल यू हैव टू अंडरलाइन गॉट इट अब आप कौन सी क्लास में आ गए हो 4th क्लास में यस यस टेल मी
मैम मैं हैड वर्ड लेक्चर मैम आई राइट
all the whole chapter is not done no? Only 2 paragraphs were done right
Yes. Ma'am, I write hard work in my MD notebook.
Oh, in my good. Chalo. Arav, can you please read the second paragraph?
Ma'am, I also write in my rough notebook. Fair notebook.
Chalo. Now yes, this is the last instruction I am giving. Without my permission, don't unmute your mic. Clear or not clear? Yes or no? Okay, good. Chalo. Arav Kundaria, unmute yourself. Read the second paragraph.
Shiru admired the emperor of the land because, like Shiru, he also loved flowers.
बेटा शीरू तो तुम्हारे सिंचन का डॉगी का नाम है. This boy is named Shui.
Shui.
What is the name? Shui. Shiru is Sinchan. अरे सिंचन.
हमें शीरू हमें उसका पालतू डॉगी. Shui admired the emperor of the land because, like Shiru, Shui, he also loved flowers. The emperor also loved children but had none of his own. So the emperor decided to choose one of the children of his land to be his successor. One day as he wandered through his garden, he came up with the most
marvelous means बहुत good, बहुत अच्छा.
Marvelous plan to find the next emperor.
Okay.
The very next day.
Thank you, Arav. Right. Thus, enough. One paragraph. Okay. Right. Now, Shui admired the emperor also. वहाँ का जो राजा था, Shui उसको भी बहुत admire करता था. Admire माने respect करता था. Why? Because like Shui, that emperor was also having love towards gardening, love towards planting new trees and flowers and that. So, अब emperor के बारे में कुछ जानते हैं. Now, this emperor loved children and gardening also. But बावजूद उसके that he loved children, he was not having any of his own. Right? उनके कोई बच्चे, कोई लड़का या लड़की नहीं था. चलो बच्चा, I would request everyone to switch off your cameras also, because that is why the network is failing. Once I'll let you know, जिसका चांस आएगा वो अनम्यूट भी कर सकता है और अपने कैमरा भी विजिबल कर सकता है. चलो, right? So now this emperor loved children, but he was not having any of his children, right? So what he decided to choose one of the children of his land. उसकी जो किंगडम थी वहां से कोई भी एक लड़के को या लड़की को अपना हेयर बनाने, हेयर माने मेरी नेक्स्ट जनरेशन, माय नेक्स्ट जनरेशन, right? So king thought about a marvelous plan. Now what is marvelous? Marvelous is extremely good, बहुत ही अच्छा, extremely good. So that day when he was wandering, जब वो गार्डन में टहल रहे थे, at that time he thought of a good plan, right? चलो, understood this much? Come on, next I want Khushi Pingle to read the third paragraph. I'll give chance to everyone. Nobody will say may I, ma'am. I'll give chance to everyone, bacha, don't worry. Khushi, can you read the paragraph, please?
Yes, ma'am. The very next day, the emperor called all the children of the kingdom to his palace. He gave one seed to each child. Come back in 1 year. Whoever will grow the finest flower from the seeds will be the next emperor, the emperor declared.
Right? Thank you, Khushi. Now, as I told you, he was wandering through the garden and he thought of a marvelous plan. तो वो plan क्या था? Next day he called every child of his kingdom. He gave seed to all of them. He gave one seed to each child. सबको एक seed दिया. What did he say? He said, come back in 1 year. Whoever will grow the finest flower from this seed will be the next emperor. उसने बोला कि आप सारे ये सीड लेके जाओ. After 1 year, come back again. जिसके पास सबसे beautiful flower, the most finest flower, the one who is having the finest flower will be the next emperor. Emperor means it is a synonym of king. Right? Chalo, next I want Mahi Dayal. Chalo, unmute yourself.
Yes, ma'am.
Chalo, this page is clear, bacha. Everyone, this page is clear. Come to the next page. Page number 11. Chalo, Mahi, please read.
The children ran from the palace, smiling. All they had to do was grow the plant and build.
Whose microphone is on? Mahi, आप थोड़ा सा अपने पास जो है उनसे दूर होके then you speak.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Mahi, read it again. The children ran from the palace.
The children ran from the palace, smiling. All they had to do was grow a plant, and they would be the emperor. She did not see it as a ma'am. And के आगे क्या है?
Opportunity. Read the spelling also.
Opportunity.
Opportunity. Yes.
Opportunity to be the emperor. Instead, he was excited about planting the seed and adoring its beautiful flower. Thank you.
Okay, thank you, Mahil. Thank you, Bacha. Right? So the children felt, सबको ऐसा लगा कि इसमें क्या बड़ी बात है, ये तो एक राजा ने one seed has given, and उसमें से we will be growing out beautiful flowers and we will become the next emperor. हम राजा बन जाएंगे, next emperor, right? Now the boy which we were talking about, Shui did not see as an opportunity to become king. उसको राजा बनने का वो नहीं था, greediness नहीं थी. What he felt was, he felt that I would be, planting this seed beautifully, and I would be visualizing this beautiful flower growing up, right? So वहाँ पे there are so many new words. I don't know whether you have underlined or not. Fourth line में opportunity, OTTORTUNITY, opportunity. Then उसके नीचे excited, EXCITED, excited. Same line, adoring, 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 right? And adoring के just above adoring is instead, INSTEAD. These are all words that you might have read when you are in grade 3rd, but फिर भी these words you need to recall when you are reading, right? So instead of taking that as an opportunity, Shui found it very grateful that I'll be adoring, I'll be seeing and visualizing this beautiful flowers, right? चलो next तथ्य.
मैम आपने अडोरिंग के बाद क्या बोला?
Yes ma'am. Just above adoring is instead, INSTEAD, instead. अगर आपने टिक किया है तो that is fine, नहीं टिक किया है then you can underline. चलो तथ्य, next paragraph बचा.
As soon as he Yes ma'am. As soon as he got home, Shui found a clay pot made by his grandpa. He thought that the clay pot would be just right to grow his seed in. He found rich black soil that had many worms in it to make it nourishing. He filled the pot with the soil, then he sowed his seed, carefully covering it with the soil.
आगे पढ़ो.
Shui set the pot in the sun and tended the seed with all his devotion. He was careful neither to give it too much water nor too little. At the proper times he treated it with manure and was careful to protect it from ants, birds and sparrows. As the months passed...
Thank you, Tatya.
Welcome.
Now, when he got home with this seed, he saw that his grandpa or grandfather had made a small pot. So he thought that this is the exact pot where I'll be sowing the seeds. So now he planted that seed and he took each care that is being done from him. Just देखो उस paragraph में लिखा है, he did everything that he can do. He sowed his seed carefully, covering with the soil. Sui set the pot in the sun and tended the seed with all his devotion. Right? He was taking care, he was being precautious that seed को जितना पानी देना चाहिए उतना ही पानी मिले, ना कम मिले, ना ज़्यादा मिले. Not too much, not too little. Right? At proper times, he treated it with manure and was careful to protect it from ants, birds and sparrows. छोटी छोटी टहनियाँ अगर आ जाती है ना, बेबी प्लांट जब उगता है तो जो स्पैरो है या पिजन्स है वो जो टहनी है, जो उसका जो पूरा टहनी ब्रांच है छोटा सा ग्रीन वाला, वो उठा के ले जाते हैं. राइट? सो ही वाज केयरफुल कि ऐसा कुछ ना हो and his seed is protected. Right? Now what do you mean by manure? When I say MANURE, he treated the seed with manure. What is manure? You have learned this thing in science?
I can tell fertilizer.
Yes, fertilizer. जब आप कोई seed grow करते हो soil में, तो to protect that seed you have to add that manure, खाद जिसे बोलते हैं ना गुजराती में या हिंदी में, right? That is known as manure. Clear? Now, इसके साथ today I'll be sharing an IBL for you. That IBL would be that, yes, yeah, that is composite pit या compost जिसे हम बोल सकते हैं वो. Now, what we will do is you all have, I'll be sharing a video. You all have to plant your own seed. आपके सबके घर में गेहूं के दाने होंगे, right? You have to, I'll be sharing a video in our group. You have to do that activity and you have to click the pictures and you have to send it back. I'll make a collage and then I'll share it in the group. You'll be having, today I'll be sharing a video of activity of growing a small plant at home. You all have to do it, right? And by next, I think आज अगर हम Sunday को grow करोगे आप लोग, तो Wednesday, Thursday तक it will bloom out. वो आगे uproot हो जाएगा. So once you have to take picture of yours with the plant, जब आप इसको planting कर रहे हो तब. Yes बेटा?
मैम मेरे घर के पीछे गार्डन भी है.
अरे very good. So once I'll give you the videos. You understood all of you? Sunday. Tomorrow is Sunday. हाँ. बोल सु. हाँ चलो चलो. Right? So tomorrow you will all plant that particular thing. मैं video देखूँ, video share करूँगी. You have to do the same thing, right? And you have to click picture of yours. After some day, after 1 or 2 days, it will start sprouting. So you have to click that sprouted वाला picture. और both the pictures आप collage करके मुझे भेजेंगे. Both the pictures you will send it in my WhatsApp. Everybody of you is having my WhatsApp number, right? You have to share it with me in my personal WhatsApp number. Clear? Right? Okay. चलो इतना तक समझ में आया? Now,
Your number.
I want. I'll be sharing बच्चा, जिससे मेरा, जहाँ से मेरा लिंक खुलता है, that is my number बच्चा, ग्रुप में.
I have saved your number.
चलो. Okay, good. चलो, I want Swarit to read the next paragraph.
Yes, ma'am. As the month passed, Sui garden was filled with
It's not filled, beta, it's filled.
vibrant, ma'am. Colorful,
Vibrant.
colorful flowers, but nothing bright in his pot that all he sprouted in his pot that all he said
Disappointedly,
he moved the pot to another wing for perform sunlight.
for proper sunlight. Nothing happened.
He tried watering his plant more and even singing to it, but the seed did not grow.
Okay, thank you, बच्चा. ज़्यादा practice करो. You need to read it properly, Swarit. Whenever you are free, please read this English books, right? चलो. So the months passed. Shui ने जो precautionary measures थे, that all he did. Then as the months passed, Shui's garden was filled with vibrant माने बहुत active blossom colors of flowers. Different colors of flowers were there in the garden, but nothing sprouted in that pot. उस पॉट में से नथिंग स्प्राउटेड, कुछ भी उगा नहीं. That's odd. He said disappointedly. Disappointedly means he's very upset. You also feel upset, right? जब आप इतनी मेहनत करते हो and if you don't get result, you feel disappointed. So same way, Shui also felt disappointed. He moved the pot to the another window जहाँ पे अच्छे से sunlight आती थी, but nothing happened. He tried watering the plant more and even singing to it. There is a research which tells that अगर आप अपने trees के बाजू में singing करते हो तो वो जल्दी grow होते हैं, right? So he tried singing to that plant also, but the seed did not grow, right? Chalo, now I want Misty to read. Misty.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, we have to grow plants.
I'll be sharing the whole video, बच्चा, with the message. मेरा वीडियो और साथ में वो वाला वीडियो, linked video I'll share.
He visited every gardener he knew, and to each he told the tale of his seed. No one knew what was wrong. The time was nearing to return to the emperor. Sui was disheartened. His grandpa consoled him. You did your best, Sui. You were caring and patient. Be honest, and with the emperor it will be enough.
On the appointed day,
1 year later, Sui walked to the palace with an empty pot. His heart was nearly breaking with
disappointment, right? Now after, because there was nothing sprouted, thank you Misty, because there was nothing sprouted in his pot, he went to different gardens. जैसे हम कैसे हॉस्पिटल्स में चले जाते हैं when we don't know any idea कि हमको क्यों बुखार आया है या क्यों हमको coughing हो रहा है. So Shui also went to different gardener and he asked the reason कि ये क्यों grow नहीं हो रहा है. Everybody gave their opinions, but then too also the seed did not sprout. Now after 1 year,
Ma'am, because the seed was boiled.
Yes, that because we know that story, but this is like because the emperor wanted to test the honest child, that's why. So this seed did not grow. So if he went to his grandpa and he told this I have tried. So what grandpa suggested him, he told that beta तुमने जो try करना था तुमने कर लिया. Now be honest and go to the emperor, right? It would be enough. So on the day after 1 year, Shui went to the palace. He saw that everybody else was having beautiful flowers except him, right? चलो आज इतना रखेंगे. इधर तक सबको understood हो गया? Everyone understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Clear?
Ma'am, yes, ma'am.
This
Ma'am.
over here you have to.
Yes, ma'am. I can understand. Ma'am,
Right over here.
Yes,
The
ma'am.
last
I
word
also
was-
understand.
Put up
Ma'am,
this
what
way.
is homework?
Very good.
I also. Ma'am,
Put the homework. Is right work. Yes.
Ma'am, what is homework?
Yes. Tell me. Today's homework is right. What meaning? Right, of chapter number 1. Now मैंने आपको फॉर्मेट दिया. हर एक पेज में you will not write chapter number 1, chapter number 1, chapter. आपने एक बार heading लिख लिया chapter number 1 and you have written the new words also, right? This word meaning you will start with a new page. There you will mention the date and put a star and write word meaning. No need of writing the heading again.
Ma'am.
मैं अभी group में I'll be sharing the format. Please follow the same format. I'll be sharing the format in the group.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, tell me.
मैम मैंने वर्ड मीनिंग्स नहीं लिखा है.